skin feeling a little too much puffy, too much liquid, something just stays there, and you want a facial that will not only be amazing cleansing and hydration and all that, but also something that will depuff your skin. That's the Gua Sha Facial. It's a beautiful treatment that I've created, and it's not something that is only trendy or only based on trend, because these beautiful tools, the Gua Sha and the jade roller, have been used in traditional Chinese medication for thousands of years. So yes, you might see them all over the place and think, oh, this is trendy and nice. But these actually beautiful, nice, cool stones are actually working. So I created the Gua Sha infusion facial. It's not just a Gua Sha massage. It's a fusion of 4 distinct modalities, working in specific order: manual lymphatic drainage, connective tissue massage, and a herbal therapy using hot compress. And of course, the gemstones of the Gua Sha and jade roller. Each step prepares the skin for the next, and together they do something that no single modality can do alone as good as these together. They clear cellular conjunctions, let's say, release deep-seated, deep-rooted tension in your jaw, in your forehead, all over the face, restore the free flow of vital nutrition to your skin cells, and kind of repattern how your skin ages, let's say, in the tradition of traditional Chinese medicine. They move what was stuck to make it flow. In Chinese, in medicine, we talk about the qi. The qi is the energy that moves in the body. When there is a stagnation, the qi, the energy, is stuck and cannot move, then the area in the body gets stuck, get inflammation, maybe get sick. So we want to keep this qi moving. They, in the language of the nervous system, they create this condition for your face to let go of what stuck. Because that's what the treatment is all about. Not just about your skin, but your whole system. Before I walk you through the treatment steps, I want you to understand the tools, because they are matter. We use professional gemstones, Gua Sha tools, and jade, and other beautiful stone, each chosen for their energetic and physical properties. They are not just a mass product tools that you find on TikTok. They are they're shaped precisely for the contour of your face and used in techniques that are taught by the Chinese practitioner specialist. We also use the jade roller in specific areas, like around the eyes and brow, where it needs different touch and different movement than the Gua Sha. Rolling pressure creates different kind of lymphatic movement. And we use also herbal warm compress packed with herbal botanics like calendula, rose, selected for your skin type that day and what your skin needs. It's never a one-size-fits-all treatment. In my salon, you know it. It's all tailored, made for you. Every session is customized to you, to what your skin is holding, what your body is holding, what your nervous system needs. So we begin the way all good ritual begins, with cleansing. We clear the surface, remove the day, the products, the build-up. We start clean. So everything that follows, go deeper, go on a clean slate. Then during the opening massage, we use hot compress, hot towel. And you can imagine and feel it right now, something warm, not burning on your face. It signals the body that it is safe, and the body might soften just by that feeling and on the face. It's not a coincidence. For warmth signals safety to the nervous system. It tells your muscles you can let go now, and that signals is the beginning of everything. Then comes the part of the treatment that every client remember. We use steams with herbal blends like calendula, like rose, like other botanical, and apply them with a warm directly on the face, and that support the lymphatic drainage technique. It's this gentle pressure and the herbs themselves that help detoxify and clean the skin. This is still the preparation phase for what comes next. Now the Gua Sha, but not the kind you do at home with a video playing on your phone. With professional gemstone tool, we work directly into the connective tissues. We release conjunctions. We renew the lymph fluid. We activate circulation. We release muscle tension on its source, not just on the surface. We basically stimulate cell activity, collagen production, and renewal of the skin. This is where you will start to feel the lifting, the sculpting, the sense that your face is finding its own shape again. I'm just slightly demonstrating, of course. I don't have the oils here on my face, but I want to show you the way. We're not holding the weight of everything you've been carrying through the week. We're releasing, we let it go from the center out, from in, out. And we do it both sides with the Gua Sha and the botanical herbs. And then I will kind of close this Gua Sha, which is more powerful, more like moving. It doesn't play, it moves, it's drains. And the jade roller I use more to massage what I apply on the skin inside, in gentle. Yeah, it also has this drain activity, but it's not as the Gua Sha, and it works really beautiful under the eyes. And then I'm gonna move and start using my hands to create a face massage that will take all these movements that we did and spread it around the face where it needed, pressure points, release tension, and give you this deep relaxation that everybody loves. And we're gonna seal it up with a mask that is customized for you, for your skin needs, so the skin can continue the workout that we've done, even if I don't touch the stones anymore. So what do you walk away with? Softer lines, deep wrinkles minimized, the face visibly lifted, puffiness and dark circles reduced, often dramatically, the complexions brighten, and there's a glow that isn't just product, it's circulation. When your blood circulation is going great, the skin is glowing. Makes sense. It's your skin doing what it's designed to do when it's no longer blocked, when the chi, the energy, is no longer blocked. Inflammation is down, blemishes, redness, sensitivity, all reduced. And because collagen production has been stimulated, the results continue to improve the days after the treatment. But the result I hear the most from the clients is the feeling, the sense of relief in the face, in the jaw, in the body. Client often said that they didn't realize how much tension they were holding until they weren't holding it anymore. So this treatment is for you if your skin is showing the sign of stress, puffiness, dullness, fine line, and feel deeper that they feel deeper that they should. If you carry a lot of tension in your jaw, your forehead, around your eyes, if you tried Gua Sha at home and felt nothing, but knew that there was something that needed to be unlocked, if you understand that your skin is not separated from your nervous system, and if you're ready for a treatment that works on both, I offer you the Gua Sha Facial Fusion at Pure Salons in Amsterdam and Amstelveen. If you never experience it, I think you would love it. Also, if your face don't have puffiness. A link and everything down in the description below.